Okay, so now we're going to be making the rack, and this is the last part. We're just going to start off with a simple rectangle, and then we're going to make the teeth from there. So let's go back to Inventor, New, Part, 2D Sketch, pick this plane. It looks like the length of this is 0.4375, so type in 0.4375. How about 4.375? The height is 0.625. And if we extrude this out, it has a width of 0.499. Let's make a new sketch on this surface. And I'm going to use lines to help line some stuff up here. Looks like this distance from here to here is 0.75. That this depth from here to here is 0.179. And I'm just going to kind of draw out roughly what this looks like. And that's going to be a little bit big, so I'm just going to drag it in a little. And I'm going to make a 20-degree angle here, and a 20-degree angle here. I'm also going to switch to trim, get rid of a couple bits that I don't need. I want to set these two equal to each other. So I click the equal button. I can select the one. It doesn't want me to select the other one. Okay, so what I have to do is momentarily delete that. This is going to throw off a lot of geometry, but that's okay, unless it doesn't. Woo! Switch back to line again. Let's close off our shape. But I did want to make sure these two would be equal, and that, oh, we didn't do that part. This distance, linear pitch, 0.262. That would have been confusing. And there's where it messes up the geometry. Okay, so let's go back to projecting this, and we still need a vertical line here. It was 0.75, right? Okay. Let's use our coincident constraint to get that point and this point to match up. And now this is all funky, so we have to say that this is a horizontal line. And I think those two are going to be the same size. Let's double check. Yep, it's giving me an error. It says that already exists, so that's good. And we should just check once more that the tooth depth is 0.179, which it changed. Okay, now let's extrude, cut, distance is all, make a rectangular pattern of that feature. Direction is going to be along this line, but going that direction. And there are 12 of these, and they're spaced apart 0.262. Cool. We're almost done. This has a hole on the back end here. So let's look at this side. Point. Find the center. I think it's in the center. I should probably measure. 1/4 inch over. Cool. Oop, that's not quite 1/4. Oh, good thing we checked that. And then up 0.312. Finish your sketch, click on the point, make a hole. It says the hole has a diameter of 0.25, depth of 0.625. Click OK. And there is a chamfer on this end. It's a 0.06 chamfer. Those are going to be on the 4 edges on here. Okay. That should be it. Save. Call this rack.